Copy, Juliet Alpha 8, Delta Charlie Radio. Konnichiwa. Good afternoon. Thanks for the comment back answer to my call. Your signal is very strong. How about S9, 5 by 9 plus 10 dB. My name is Sergey. Sierra Echo Radio Golf Echo Yankee. Sierra Echo Radio Golf Echo Yankee and QTH is Kaniv. Kilowatt America November Italy Victor. Kilowatt America November Italy Victor. Kaniv Center Ukraine. So how do you copy? Back to you. Juliet Alpha 8 Delta Charlie Radio United Radio 3 Canada Tango Bravo or.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Sergey, Uniform Radio 3 Charlie Tango Bravo. Yeah, 8 Delta Charlie Radio Italy. Thank you for the nice call. So pick up frequency. Very well, yeah. You are the station to 59 plus. You are also signal report 9 over 10 radio, okay? Yeah, report 59 plus. Thank you so much. My handle is Fuji, Florida, Uniform, Juliet, Indiana. FU, yeah, name is Fuji. My location is Sapporo City, Northern Japan. I like Santiago, America, Papa, Oscar, Romeo, Oscar. SOPO, Sapporo City, Northern Japan. Mr. Sergey, copiante, Hashimara Yaru.
Roger. Juliet Alpha Delta Charlie Radio, United Area 3 Tango Bravo. There Fuji-san from Sapporo City, northern part of Japan. QSL, very strong. Here signal 5 by 9, 10 and sometimes 20 dB over 9. Very, very strong today. Fuji-san, my setup work condition about transceiver ICOM 706. Antenna 5 elements monoband Yagi and about 600 watt from homebrew power amplifier. So nice to speak with you. Very good signal coming through from northern part of Japan. Juliet Alpha 8 Delta Charlie Radio United Area 3 Canada Tango Bravo or.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Sergey Sound, yeah, information ICOM 706 5 radio antenna. So 600 watt amplifier, the homebrew, correct. Yeah, also 200 com picture, woman picture, antenna system, because transceiver, your picture, very good. Here also using Tango Sugar 080, also 100 watts, no amplifier. So antenna, tri-band beam antenna 6L, 3-band tri-band antenna 20 meters around about. Yeah, location, temperature, also minus 50 degrees centigrade, 50 degrees centigrade. Here with snow, it's long cold. Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Sergey. Nice contact. Pasiva Pedro, USA, okay? United Radio 3, Charlie Tango Bravo, 8 Delta Charlie, very sorry, yeah, you think it's Carib, okay? Kilo America, India, November, Victory, so 1902, postal correct. Thank you so much, nice to meet you. Have a nice day. Uniform Radio, Charlie Tango Bravo, 8 Delta Charlie Romeo. Thank you, sir. Pasiva, Lithuania.
QSL, Juliet Alpha Ray Delta Charlie Radio, United Area 3, Canada Tango Bravo returning. Fine copy. Fuji-san, thanks for your information. Your work condition Tango Sierra 480, tri-bender antenna, 6 elements, 20 meter height above the ground, and only 100 watts, no power amplifier, high. Weather condition in your QTH Sapporo, -5 degrees Celsius and a lot of snow. Yes, a beautiful copy, nice transmission. Yes, you had my QTH is correct, it's Kaniv, kilowatt, America, November, Italy, Victor, correct. So nice to speak with you, Fuji-san. Beautiful signal, easy work with you, so you are very strong, so nice to talk with you today. So my best wishes to Sapporo, another part of Japan. Mata oai shimasu. Spasiba and arigato. Many thanks for the nice QSO. Juliet Alpha Delta Charlie Radio, UR 3 CTB 73 and Matane Fuji-san, or?
Yeah, Fuji-san also reported 9 over 20 propagation after the 9 over 20 nice to hear your report, okay? さすがに私がRussia information correct. Thank you so much, nice QSO. My also happy QSO.
Roger, Juliet Alpha Delta Charlie Radio, your 3 CTV for the panel. QSL 20 dB over none. Last your transmission. Yes, signal is very up. Fuji-san. Thanks to you, Mata oai shimasu. До свидания, спасибо, and bye-bye, or?
Sayonara, 73, спасибо.
Sayonara, 73.